Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ready and Diva Skincare. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Skincare, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the reason why I was laughing, because I know that I don't come here always. Like, I come like once in 2 months, once in 3 months, once to drop videos. So I'm just like, I know I'm guilty. I know that I'm not doing you guys, you know, I'm not really trying. I'm no longer doing formulation. I'm no longer giving reviews. I'm sorry. Calm down. You know, business has been so you know, I've been so busy with business. I've been so busy with my online training. I've been so busy with my TikTok, you know. I'm sorry guys, I keep saying that I will be coming, you know, I'll be trying my best. So I'm finally here. So thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for those that are still keeping up with me despite that I'm not coming here always. So I'm going to be showing you this beautiful exfoliating body scrub that I just discovered. I'm sorry, this scrub has been existing for so like, this scrub has been as in English. So this scrub has been in the market for a very long time, but I've been ignoring it. Like, I've been ignoring the scrub. So then I took my time. I said, let me just see the hype. You know, people have been talking about this scrub. I bought one. Yeah, I bought one of the scrubs. So I tried it on my skin and I was like, wow, are you serious? This scrub is so good on the skin. And I thought of, why not sell it? Why don't sell it? Because me, before I'll sell any product, I'll first of all try it. So I don't want to buy any product that I'm going to keep, you know, just keep it in my house, keep it in my garage, keep it wherever I want to keep it. Then it's just going to be there for years. Nobody's buying it because it's not really trendy, it's not moving market, or it's not really doing its work. So I've used this scrub and it is good. So contact the company. See, let me tell you, if you're I don't know about some other sellers. So for me, if I'm selling products, I don't buy hand to hand. I go direct so that you'll be able to get the original. But I don't know if they have fake. I've not heard of anybody complaining that there's fake. I don't know, but this is from the company, the manufacturing company. So guys, I know a lot of you must have heard about this Aburtin scrub. Like, if you are not used this scrub, you are sleeping on this scrub. If you have not been using this scrub. I bought this scrub once because I've been seeing the advert on TikTok. People have been talking about Aburtin. So I went to Amazon, though kind of expensive there, but I went to Amazon and I bought this scrub, used it on my skin. I was like, wow, this is actually good. So I have to you know, now I have to look for the company because I need to be selling this product. This product is good. It is going to help to exfoliate your skin. You are always shouting that you have a stubborn skin. My dear, you don't have a stubborn skin. It is because you don't know the right product to use on your skin. Yes, you don't know the right product to use on your skin. Nobody have a stubborn skin. Before I went into skincare products, yes, into skincare formulations and making of products, making of reviews, selling of skincare products, I was also saying my skin is very stubborn. I was also saying my skin is hard. I was thinking that my skin is like more like nothing can penetrate it. My dear, I was misleading myself because I really do not know more about skincare products. If you have a very tough skin, you have a very stubborn skin, see, exfoliate your skin. exfoliate your skin. Of course, many people will say I'm using sugar scrub, I'm using salt scrub, I'm using that scrub. Let me tell you, sugar can actually exfoliate your skin because sugar is already an exfoliator. Okay, because of the particles it have, sugar is an exfoliator already. Okay, so the thing is that, what does your sugar scrub contain? What does your scrub, your salt scrub contain? Because you're not just going to you're not just going to go to the market, get sugar, and you will not pour oil inside your sugar, and you will not pour your lemon inside your sugar, you will not pour your honey inside your sugar, you will not mix it, and you start scrubbing, and you say, yes, I'm exfoliating my skin. Yeah, yes, I'm exfoliating my skin. It does not work that way. It does not work that way. Get a very good scrub. This scrub contains AHA, which is the AHA. It contains AA, which is the AHA. It also contains the BHA. Like these two ingredients, if you really do not know more about this product, these two ingredients, go about it. Look, AHA, which is the AA, it contains 30%. You can see the concentration. You can see the concentration, 30% AHA and 2% BHA. Yes, normal 2% is okay. When it comes to the BHA ingredients, the normal recommendation is 2%. So the BHA is 2%, and the AHA, you can use AHA from 5% upward. You can use AHA from 5% upward. But now this is 30%, which is very, very good on the skin. And the skin benefits, they said whitening. Okay, for me, scrub whitening the skin, I'm not going to accept that. I'm not going to accept that. It may only give room for skin lightening, like skin lightening, skin brightening, skin whitening. It can give that room, like it can open up your skin, it can open up your pores, so that any other product you will be applying on your skin is going to be working so fast. But for this to whiten up your skin, no, sorry, let's keep that aside. So the other benefit is anti-wrinkles. Of course, it's going to help with anti-wrinkles. And the other benefit is clear your black spots. See, a lot of people have black spots on their skin, on their back. See, when you see people putting on clothes, you know, with their makeup, they're looking all flashy or smiling, if you check their back, a lot of spots. So if you have body spots, get this scrub. Okay, so this is going to help to clear your black spots. It's going to help to nourish and moisturize your skin. It's going to help slimming and firming. It's going to help remove stretch mark. See, let me tell you something. This is not going to help to remove your stretch mark, but it's going to help to, how will I put it now, it's going to help your other stretch mark product. Let's just say you have a stretch mark product that you're using any stretch mark product to clear out your stretch mark, and using of this scrub is going to make way for that your stretch mark product to be very, very effective. It's going to make way for that stretch mark product to penetrate deep into your skin, because why? You have actually exfoliated that part, that area where you have your stretch mark. It has been exfoliated. So this is going to help with stretch mark, not clearing the stretch mark per se, like you will just be using this alone and you're thinking your stretch mark is going to go. No, it's just going to give way, like just going to give room so that your other stretch mark products can actually work well on your skin, penetrate on your skin. Anti-acne, of course. Aroma spa, yes, the aroma is beautiful, the aroma is nice. So this alpha Aburtin scrub, it is very, very effective. It contains alpha Aburtin, it contains AHA, it contains BHA, and this is very, very big. This is 650 grams. 650 grams. So what is the best way? How can you use your body scrub? Twice. I know some people will say 3 times. Yeah, sometimes I say 3 times. My dear, if you can manage to scrub twice in a week, it is perfect. Twice in a week, it is perfect for you to scrub your skin. Let's just say you're scrubbing your skin on Monday, Then on Thursday you can also do your scrubbing, which is twice in a week. You scrub on Monday, on Thursday you scrub again, then the upper Monday you scrub. That is it. This is going to help your body lotion. That your skin, you're saying, is very strong. It is not strong. It's because you are not exfoliating. And even if you're exfoliating, you're not using a very good product. This scrub is very good. I have used it. If I have not used it, I will not come advertise it. So before I start selling it, I already bought it and I used it just for me to know the hype, because people have been hyping this product a lot on TikTok. And using this scrub, your bathroom is smelling so nice, so beautiful. So sometimes when I want to use this scrub, I have my bucket, I take little from the scrub, I pour it inside my bucket, add a lot of water to it, then I just pour the water, add a lot of water, pour the water on my skin, just using the water to splash my skin. Then before I start scrubbing my skin. This is very good. Please learn how to scrub your skin. Sometimes it is very stressful. I know sometimes I can go 2 weeks without scrubbing my skin. It is really not good. So if you want to order this product from me, you can order this product from my website, or you can also order this product from my eBay shop. So for my website, you can, for those that are in US, those that are in UK, Canada, Australia, you can order this product from my website. So I'm going to be leaving a link below the description box. Please, if you want to order, below the description box, there is a link there. I'll be leaving the link to my website. I'll be leaving the link to my eBay shop. Just click it and you're going to order yours. And this is very effective, very good. Trust me, go and get yours. And it's very cheap also. This scrub worth the hype, So guys, get this scrub and use it. And if you have also used this scrub before, if you are using this scrub, please leave on the comment section, tell me your experience with this scrub. And if you want me to recommend any other products for you, just type it on the comment section. You want me to make a review of any product. I will only make a review of that product if I have used it before, or if I'm selling it and people are giving me their reviews. So there are some products I cannot actually review because I have not used it. So our online training class is still going on. If you want to join our online training class, yes. So that is what I've been keeping me busy ever since. Training. So you want to learn how to make from the scratch, or you want to learn how to make the promising. But one thing is, when you want to start making your skincare product as a beginner, learn from the scratch. Because I see a lot of people that are making or selling skincare products. They are making skincare products, they don't even know what is Aburtin powder. I'm like, you are selling skincare products, you are selling body lotion, you don't know what is Aburtin powder. Like, what ingredient are you using? You are just doing missy. Take one lotion, change the other lotion, mix it together. You can also know how to make that. Take this and mix together. But see, know the foundation of how to make skincare products. Okay, so you can join our online training class, register and be a pro. Learn how to make skincare products, go into the markets and sell your skincare products. And you want to order my products, the description box, the link is there. You can order any of your skincare products from my website, and I'm going to deliver to you ASAP. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video, but though I don't know when, but see you soon. Bye.